There are 5 things to consider when you're looking at an everyday carry pistol, and let's define what that really means. That's a pistol that you're going to carry with you every day. First, minimum magazine capacity of 10 rounds. If you're looking at a single threat, that's probably the best case scenario. We want to consider the worst case, which is multiple threats. Second part of that is that while we might think we're great shots on the range, in a real setting, you might find out that your accuracy is not as good as you thought. So you may need more ammunition to do that. The bottom line is we want to avoid a reload whenever we can. Second point to consider is that we want to choose a minimum defensive caliber of 9mm. There's a lot of other pluses and minuses to all those other calibers, but the 9mm just does it all and does it all really well. The next thing we talk about is reliability and accuracy. The two kind of go hand in hand. I need a firearm that's going to be reliable. Typically when you talk everyday carry, they're small, compact. So in that compact size, those guns typically are not as reliable. Today's current models have really exceeded in that expectation. The second thing is that they need to be accurate. Well, the fact of the matter is that they're compact and small, which is a good thing, but it makes it hard for you to shoot them well. So that requires a lot of practice, which circles back to reliability. The more rounds you put through it, the more likely you are to see the small parts breakage. The last thing we talk about are logistics. While we want to be able to carry everything that we have, we need to make sure that it can be supported through holsters, magazines, different sight systems. So all of those things have to be taken into consideration. If you find something that is so unique and so specific, but it doesn't have any supporting equipment, it's going to make it really hard for you to find that best holster to use or all the supporting magazines that you might want. So these are the types of things that you want to consider before you go out and start buying. The more information you have, the better choice that you're going to make.